Have you ever paused to consider how your current mindset shapes your life? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? We often go about our days not realizing that our very thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes are the architects of our reality. This is the power of mindset. Mindset is more than just a popular buzzword. It's a concept that is deeply rooted in the study of human behavior and psychology. It's the invisible force that drives our actions, shapes our relationships, and ultimately determines the quality of our lives. The law of assumption is one concept that beautifully illustrates the power of mindset. It suggests that our reality is a direct reflection of our dominant thoughts and beliefs. To put it simply, what we assume to be true in our minds, we manifest in our lives. Now hold on to that thought. Imagine, if you will, that the thoughts you entertain most often are like a radio frequency. When you tune into a certain frequency, you receive the content that's broadcast on that channel, right? Similarly, the thoughts you entertain most often set the frequency for what you experience in your life. This is why becoming consciously aware of your most repeated thoughts is crucial. Are your thoughts mostly positive, filled with hope and aspirations? Or do they lean towards negativity, fear, and doubt? The answer to these questions can provide valuable insights into why your life is the way it is. But here's the good news. Just as you can change the radio station, you can also change your thought patterns. You hold the power to choose better feeling thoughts that are in alignment with what you truly desire to experience. Remember, your mindset is not a fixed entity. It's malleable, adaptable, and entirely under your control. The power to change your life lies within your mind. And the first step to harnessing this power is understanding the influence of your mindset on your life. Your mindset is the lens through which you view and experience life. Now, how about we learn to adjust that lens? The first step in manifesting a new mindset is recognizing your dominant thoughts. Are you ready to dive deeper? Much like the unseen currents that direct the course of a river, our dominant thoughts, often unnoticed, control the course of our lives. These are the thoughts that occupy our minds most frequently, the ones we return to again and again. They are the architects of our reality, sculpting our perceptions, our reactions, and ultimately, our experiences. To uncover these dominant thoughts, take a moment to observe your mind. What themes continually reappear? Perhaps it's a constant worry about the future, a lingering regret from the past, or a persistent self-criticism. These thoughts, though they might seem inconsequential, hold tremendous power. They shape our beliefs about ourselves and the world around us. Let's consider some common examples of dominant thoughts. Maybe you often find yourself thinking, "I'm not good enough," or "I can't do this." Over time, these thoughts can manifest as self-doubt, limiting your potential and hindering your growth. Or perhaps your dominant thought is, "I don't have enough time." This thought can create a constant sense of rush and stress, robbing you of the joy of the present moment. However, recognizing these thoughts is not about self-judgment, but self-awareness. It's about understanding that these thoughts are not a fixed part of you, but rather patterns you've fallen into. And like any pattern, they can be changed. Remember, the thoughts you entertain are a choice. You have the power to change the narrative in your mind, to shift from negative to positive, from fear to love, from scarcity to abundance. Recognizing your dominant thoughts is the first step. The next is choosing better feeling thoughts. This is your journey towards manifesting a new mindset, a journey where you are the captain, steering your thoughts towards the reality you desire. As we move forward, remember this: your thoughts are the seeds of your reality. Plant wisely. So, how do we go about choosing better feeling thoughts? Let's explore. The process of consciously choosing better feeling thoughts is similar to cultivating a garden. Just like you remove the weeds and plant the flowers that you wish to see bloom, you can also weed out negative thoughts and plant positive ones in the garden of your mind. Imagine you're stuck in traffic and you're running late. The usual thought might be, "I'm always so unlucky, I'm going to be late again." This thought doesn't feel good, does it? Now let's replace it with a better feeling thought, such as, "This is a chance for me to take a break, listen to my favorite podcast, and prepare for my meeting." This thought feels better, right? Or perhaps you're dealing with a challenging task at work. Instead of thinking, "This is so hard, I can't do it," you could think, This is a great opportunity for me to learn and grow. I can do this. Again, notice how the new thought feels better. It's about consciously choosing thoughts that lift you up, not pull you down. It's about choosing thoughts that empower you, not limit you. It's about choosing thoughts that make you feel good, not bad. But remember, like any other skill, this requires practice and consistency. It's not about denying or suppressing negative thoughts. It's about acknowledging them and then consciously choosing to replace them with thoughts that feel better. You may not be able to do this every time, and that's okay. What's important is to keep trying, to keep practicing. Just like a muscle, your ability to choose better feeling thoughts will get stronger with time. Remember, your thoughts are powerful. They shape your reality. They shape your life. And you, yes, you, have the power to choose your thoughts. Use this power wisely. Choosing better feeling thoughts isn't just about positivity, it's about aligning your thoughts with your desires. Now that you're choosing better feeling thoughts, let's align them with your desires. Ready to learn? Let's begin. Aligning your thoughts with your desires is similar to timing a radio to the correct frequency. You must be on the same wavelength for the signal to be received. Start by defining your desire clearly. Whether it's a rewarding job, a healthy relationship, or personal growth, make it crystal clear in your mind. Our next step involves consistency. Understanding your want isn't enough. You need to repeatedly affirm it in your mind. Picture your desire as though it's already a reality. Visualize yourself in your dream job, nurturing that healthy relationship, or embodying the personal growth you've been striving for. Decide how you want to maintain consistency. You can use visualization, scripting, meditation, or simply constant mental affirmation. Choose the method that you most enjoy. The third step is the most vital. You may not believe in your desire initially, but with consistent repetition, your feelings and emotions will eventually align with it. Consider this example. If you desire to run a marathon, define this desire clearly. Then imagine yourself at the finish line, the crowd cheering, a medal hanging from your neck. Feel the excitement, the pride, the bliss of the moment. Make it so tangible in your mind that your body reacts as if it's happening in the present moment. The final step is to dovetail your everyday thoughts with this visualization. Every thought should work towards fulfilling this desire. If a thought doesn't serve this purpose, let it go. Replace it with one that does. This isn't a one-time process. It requires practice and perseverance. As you synchronize your thoughts with your desires, you'll start to see changes in your life, and your desires will manifest more rapidly and effortlessly. Aligning your thoughts with your desires is a powerful step towards manifesting a new mindset. So keep tuning in, maintain the visualization, hold on to the feeling, and keep adjusting. You're in the process of creating a new mindset, one thought at a time. We've covered a lot today. Are you ready to recap and move forward with these life-changing tools? Let's take a moment to journey back through our exploration of the law of assumption and how to manifest a new mindset. It all begins with recognizing the power of your mindset. Your thoughts are more than mere notions. They are the architects of your reality. They construct the world around you, shaping your experiences, feelings, and ultimately your life. From there, we moved on to recognizing your dominant thoughts. These are the ideas and beliefs that you repeat most often in your mind. They are subtle, yet powerful, shaping your perceptions and experiences. It's important to become consciously aware of these thoughts, to understand their impact on your life. Next, we delved into the practice of choosing better feeling thoughts. This is where the magic happens. When you consciously choose thoughts that feel good, you raise your vibration, aligning yourself with the energy of what you truly desire. This isn't about ignoring negative thoughts, but rather acknowledging them and then choosing to focus on thoughts that make you feel good. Then, we discussed the importance of aligning your thoughts with your desires. This is the key to manifesting a new mindset. It's about more than just thinking positive thoughts. It's about aligning your thoughts with what you truly desire to experience in life. It's about creating a mental image of your desired reality and then living as if that reality is already here. And finally, we emphasize the importance of consistency and patience in this process. Like anything worthwhile, manifesting a new mindset can take time and practice. It's a journey filled with lessons and growth. It's not about reaching a destination, but rather about enjoying the journey and becoming the person you truly desire to be. Manifesting a new mindset is a journey, not a destination. Remember, your mindset shapes your world, so why not shape it into one you truly desire to experience? I appreciate you so much for taking the time to listen to this video. If you found it of value, please like this video, share it to a friend who could use some motivation. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, much love.